Okay, today I'm going to help you get started using the Arduino Uno. So the first thing you want to do is go download the IDE, and IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Basically, it's a programming environment that you can use to program the Arduino. You can do that by going to arduino.cc, clicking the download link here, and then downloading either the installer or the zip file. Now I've already done that, and I've downloaded the zip file to my desktop, and you can extract that simply by double clicking on it and clicking extract all. I've done that also, and the extracted folder is shown right here. And then you'll look in this folder and look for the arduino.exe. Now if you don't see the executable, just look for this infinity icon with the plus and the minus in there. Double click on that and that will launch the executable, launch the integrated development environment, the IDE. Now this is basically a blank program that has a setup area and a loop area. What we're going to do is write a program, very simple program, that will flash a light here on pin 13. You can see pin 13 has the red wire like this, goes over to this row of the breadboard, connected to an LED. And this is also connected to a resistor over here. This is a 330 ohm resistor. And then the black wire comes out, goes all the way over, and goes into the ground pins of the Arduino. So again, pin 13 and pin ground, and they basically have a series connection here between a resistor and a light emitting diode. So next we want to make sure that we are going to be programming the Arduino with the right port. You'll notice that there's a connector right here. This is the USB connector, and I have it connected to my computer. What I can do next is go over here to Tools, make sure that I have Uno selected since this is the Arduino Uno, and then go over here and notice that it says COM3. Now in some cases this does not show up, and you'll have to go into control panels to make sure that you have the right port. In this case it looks like I got lucky and it's showing me the correct port right away. So the next thing to do is to load up an example program, and you do that by going File, Examples, Basics. I'm going to load up a very simple Blink program. You'll notice it opens in another window, so I'm going to move this one off to the side and take a look at this program here. Let's look at a couple of elements here. First of all, these are comments right here, so that's not going to really instruct the Arduino to do anything. But here I'm setting up the Arduino to perform some task. In this case it says, let's specify pin 13 as an output. So there's pin 13, and we're going to specify it as an output. Then the next thing it's going to do is just loop through these commands right here. And you can see that all it really does is it says, take pin 13 and make it high. In other words, let's put 5 volts out of this pin right here. Then let's wait for 1 second. So that's 1,000 milliseconds. So that's 1 second right here. And then after that, it's going to take the pin and then turn it off, and then delay again, and then continue the process. So to take this very simple program right here, which is basically setting up and looping, and the way to take it and put it on the Arduino is to hit the download button right here. So this takes the program from the PC, pushes it over to the Arduino, and you might even see these flashing right here as the program starts to begin. And you'll also notice that the program is started, and now you see the LED pin 13 on the board itself lighting up, but in addition to that you'll see the LED that is lighting up here. Now if your LED does not light up, it might be that you have the LED connected backwards. So LEDs are light emitting diodes, and diodes only conduct electricity in one direction. You notice I have the longer pin connected to the red wire here that's over to pin 13. So you might check that out. I'm going to pause the video and make a couple of changes to the program, and then show you what the effect is on the Arduino. Okay, so I'm back, and all I really did was change the red wire here from being connected to pin 13 over to pin 10. You can see the program is still running. As long as I have it powered up here, it's going to run the last program that was uploaded to it, but the LED is not blinking. That's because I need to make some changes to the program. Now this right here is a comment line, so it's not really going to do me any good to change this one, but I'm going to go ahead and do it just for commenting purposes. I'm going to change this so that I'm specifying now pin 10 as the output, and then also I'm going to say do a digital write to pin 10 to have it come on. And this time I'm going to say not 1 second, let's say 1/10 of a second. Let's also have it go off and then wait a tenth of a second and repeat the process. Now to get this new program from the PC over to the Arduino, we simply just click Upload again. You'll see the lights flashing here to indicate that it's being reprogrammed, and now you can see that my program is now functioning because I'm blinking 10 times as fast here, and I'm using pin 10. So that's how you get started with programming the Arduino. There's many other examples located under the example menu, and we'll be trying those out in the days to come.